Hey friends, Kevin here with a couple of these food choppers I own. This one is a Mueller, this one is a Full Star. One of these brands I bought, one was sent to me by the company. So I've had these to play with for a while. You're probably wondering, is there really a difference in these? And there are some differences, so let me go over this with you, and maybe that'll help you decide which one of these may be right for you. Now, I predominantly bought these for things like chopping onions. They both come with containers. The container on this Full Star is much heavier. It has these little rubber grips on the bottom so it won't slide. The top just sits right down inside. This Mueller, this is a more lightweight container, but it also has rubber feet, so it is not going to slide either. And you are going to hook this one kind of on the back and set it down so it sits more on top. So there is quite a bit of weight difference in that the Full Star does feel heavier than the Mueller unit does. Putting the blades in is going to be about the same. On the Full Star, you drop it down in here, there's a little lock button. On the Mueller, it's just going to snap down, lock into place. Now these Full Stars come in different varieties, 2 blades, 4 blades, 8 blades, 9 blades. This happened to be the 4-in-1 that I purchased. So it has a couple of these blades, and then it has a couple of these for spiralizing food. This Mueller came with a bunch of different blades. So you have your chopping blades and your slicing blades. And I do like that they come in these little containers so they are easier to keep up with rather than just having a drawer full of blades. I'm going to use the same type of blade in both of these so you can see the differences. And we are going to be doing some onions. We'll start with this Mueller. We're going to push down on it. Did not take a lot of pressure to do that. And here you can see the results. And the Full Star. And again, that really didn't take much pressure either. I think it was just a tad bit easier with that Mueller. But again, you can see the pretty pieces that we ended up with. Cleanup is easy. The results were good on both of these. I honestly can't tell much of a difference as far as the cutting. As far as what I really like that the Mueller comes with these little storage cases. But I do like the way this Full Star fits together. At the end of the day, it's all about the results, and the results are fine. There doesn't seem to be a lot of a size difference with these. I think this Mueller is quite a bit wider, but I think that capacity is still pretty close to being even. But at the end of the day, as far as using these, I don't believe anyone is going to be unhappy going with either one of these brands. They both feel like quality product.